If you are a South African, maybe you are in Limpopo, Johannesburg, or any part you are in South Africa, please, this video is very important for everyone to watch it. Why do I say so? Kenny Kunene is trying to defend the Honorable Minister, Gayton McKenzie. In fact, let me not waste much time. But before I proceed on this video, please, I want to say, you are most welcome. I really appreciate your time for watching my videos. So let's watch this video without wasting our time. When we come back, we'll discuss.
Patriots, South Africans in general, I want to respond to what was said by the moron Mazolman, what he read in Parliament at the ad hoc committee. Around 2019, the Patriotic Alliance was contesting by-elections in Rivali. This Jermaine Prince, his mother was then tasked to cook for the young people that were doing groundwork for the PA during the by-election. And we found that food was disappearing, groceries were disappearing under the care of his mother. And with evidence that was provided by the Patriots, the mother was then removed from cooking and from the PA. And Jermaine since then has been insulting not only the president of the Patriotic Alliance, Gayton McKenzie, and myself, but also our councillors, especially in El Dorado Park. Councillor Dwayne and Councillor Juwaira has been insulted by this man from prison. He had a cell phone in prison, writing WhatsApp messages. He was put in groups outside where he would send these messages, where he would make these lies that Gayton McKenzie is involved in drugs. I wanted to put on record, Gayton McKenzie is not involved in drugs. I'm not involved in drugs. Jermaine has been in prison since then. And he then threatened the two councillors of the Patriotic Alliance in Ward 17 and 18. And with the evidence that they provided and escalated the matter to our president, Gayton McKenzie. Gayton McKenzie then informed the relevant authorities, wrote to the relevant authorities that Jermaine Prince has got a cell phone in the cells, and he's using this cell phone to send lies to WhatsApp groups on the outside. He has also threatened two councillors in El Dorado Park. The authorities, with the evidence provided, decided to move Jermaine from Sun City Prison to CMAX Prison. He was moved because he had a cell phone and he was making threats and spreading lies about Gayton McKenzie, our councillors, myself, and the Patriotic Alliance. Jermaine has since appeared at the ad hoc committee where the very moronic, stupid Mazolman decided to read a Facebook post of Jermaine. We have ignored Jermaine because he is nothing but a criminal that is in prison. We have not responded to any of his lies because the people that we lead know what we do and they know him. That is a peddler of lies. He's seeking attention in prison. He is a psycho that cannot sleep every time he reads that the Patriotic Alliance is growing and the Patriotic Alliance is doing very well. Gayton McKenzie nor myself have never met with Jermaine. Gayton McKenzie has not met with Jermaine. Jermaine has never ever spoken to me. I don't even believe that Jermaine spoke to Matala. Matala I have never spoken to Ket Matala. Yes, I have seen him at events, at functions of people, but I've never had a conversation with Ket Matala. However, now that he knows Matala's name is in the mix somewhere, he tries to make his lies that he peddles to be credible by putting Matala and by putting the name of Molefe. Everything that he has said is the lies the same lies that he has been spreading since 2019. Gayton McKenzie has not given Jermaine any drugs to sell in prison. Gayton McKenzie is successful, is rich from legitimate businesses. We have grown this party ethically. We have grown this party going to the ground and talking to the people. I wanted to put this into perspective so that there's an understanding of what has transpired. Jermaine is a psycho who has not recovered from the hatred he had when his mother was removed from the Patriotic Alliance. I hope this clears the air. Thank you very much.
Thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate your time. If you really watch to this moment, what do you have to say concerning what Ken Ekunene is saying? I hope you heard everything he said. Please drop your opinion in the comment section so that others will learn from what you drop or from what you commented in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you for watching my videos. See you in the next one, and bye.